So for this pattern I'm using medium worsted yarn and 4mm crochet hook. We'll get started right away. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 20. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet in every chain. Chain 1, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first stitch as chain 1, single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. I'm gonna repeat this row for a total of 30 rows. So here I have completed 30 rows of single crochet and we're gonna go to the next step. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 1, single crochet in the next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna chain 40 from this point. 1, 2, 3, and 40. I'm gonna slip stitch back in the second chain and slip stitch back to the starting point. And now I'm gonna single crochet in the next left stitches. And I'm gonna fasten off. I'll hide my thread later on. Now this is the first part finished. What I'm gonna do now, count 9 or 10 rows and then fold. So I'm gonna fold here 10 rows and then I'm gonna single crochet in this side and in this side. So I'm gonna insert my hook in both sides, join the yarn, chain 1 and single crochet in the same joining, and I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side. So this is the pouch completed and this is how it looks. So you can close it like this and then fold this strap and secure it, as simple as this. Very easy and cute. Just throw in your bag with whatever you want to put. And that's it. You can make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you, but it's kind of original and nice to have and to make as a gift or for yourself. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to look at the written pattern as well.